Hello guys, this is just a quick video on the Audi A3. So this is the key fob battery issue that it wouldn't unlock the car, but it always works on locking. And some of you might already seen on the forums and etc. They can just replace the key fob battery, it'll work. That's not the only issue. You might need also to move the contacts, because obviously even with the new battery it might not work sometimes. Let me just show you quickly how to open the key fob. So you just need a flat blade screwdriver, pop those bits up, lift it up, and then just again get it under there. That comes off, and the battery is sitting in that casing there. So this is a new battery and it still wasn't working. So all you have to do is lift the contacts up and make sure they're nice and clean, there hasn't got any corrosion on them. So lift that one up and that one as well, and the same on this ones. So just move them, make sure they're nice and clean. So that's all looking good. So all you do now is obviously fit the battery back in, and it should work. But again, if that doesn't work, what I've done on my one to make sure that it works is I've actually placed a bit of paper behind there to lift the battery up a little bit. Obviously make sure you put the battery the right way around, fit in there. Obviously place it back in there, lock it, and as you can see, even the light is working, because the light wasn't working before, and I've just heard the car get unlocked. So it's locked and unlocked again, so it's perfectly fine now. Thank you very much for watching, have a good day.